Today is a vlog style video, and today I'm planning to retouch my hair. And as you can see, may black na siya sa roots ko. And today's my day off and I'm planning to retouch it. So yeah, I hope everything goes well. So ayan siya. Ayan o. As you can see, may black na siyang ganyan. Mga around 2 inches. I didn't put coconut oil on my hair last night kasi tinamad na ako. Kaya it's a little poofy. And so let's have breakfast first. And let's go through the day. Okay, so let's have breakfast first. I'll just make coffee. Today, I'll be using this mug. Gift to ng friend ko. Nakakatawa lang ng Christmas. So, ito yung mga namin, gaming tags. It's just so funny. Ito, nagiging favorite ko siya talaga kasi it's a light coffee. This is the Copico Blanca, and ang gusto ko sa kanya is that since it's creamy, lasa mo pa rin yung coffee na taste, like it's not too strong. And yeah, it's been my go-to coffee lately. And nakakatuwa din kasi ayan, twin pack na siya. Ayan. So guys, if you're looking for creamy coffee, I definitely recommend this. Creamy siya before, but it's now creamier. Sobrang type ko siya kasi it's such a creamy coffee. Swak na swak sa panlasa ko. So I definitely recommend this, guys. So this is breakfast. Nag-prepare na si hubby. So we got brown rice. Ang hirap gawin habang nagbablog. Oh my gosh. And then, ito, Franken pork and beans. Pork and chicken beans. So, thank you, hubby, for preparing this food for breakfast. Anyway, aayusin ko na lang. Ang hirap. Okay, we're done with breakfast. There's the train. Siguro papahinga lang ako in a bit. I will siguro play some games or check my social media. Lately kasi kami ni hubby, we've been playing Call of Duty on mobile. So, yun na yung parang bonding namin lately. And then, bala ko kasi, since I washed my hair yesterday, it's not on its oily state. Kasi diba when you color your hair, it's better na it's kind of dirty. So, ang bala ko is I'll work out later today. And then before I wash my hair, dun ko siya i-color. So, that's the plan for today. Guys, itong mirror na to, it's so nice. Ayan, itong mirror na to, it's from Exclusive Mirrors by Jen. Miss Jen, thank you so much for this mirror kasi sobrang cute niya. Ayan, so it adds a little something dito sa aking thing dito sa taas ng bed. I'm so sorry pala with my bare face kasi, you know, bare face siya. I don't have any makeup yet, but as you can see, my acne marks are getting better. I'm having new ones over here, pero okay lang yan. Pero not too intense like before. So I will make a video soon about products that helped me during my acne battle. Ayun. So make sure to stay tuned. So yeah, I will just rest for a bit and we'll work out later today. So I'm currently watching this series on Netflix. It's called Surviving Death. So sobrang wala lang. If you're curious about the afterlife or even parang yung dealing with grief, I definitely recommend this. Lalo na kapag medyo mahilig kayo sa mga ghost hunting, ganyan. May episodes sila doon. So every episode, iba-iba yung topic. First is yung near-death experience, and then yung mediums, parang how to connect with ghost being. Yan. Tapos ito, yung parang ghost evidence. So wala lang, nakakatawa lang. And may episode din kasi na parang how to deal with grief. So, it's such a nice series lang. Ayun. So, workout is done. Hindi ko na pinakita yung workout ko kasi currently I don't have workout clothes kasi nilalaban sila today. So, I'm on my bralette. Kaya ayaw pakita. I'm sorry sa itsura ko, but you know, I just got done with workout and everything. Hindi naman ako pretty after nun, diba? So, bababa na ako. I'll go to Watson's and get the hair dye that we will be using for today. So, this is the before. You can see I have regrowth. And so, let's fix that in a bit. Hey guys, so we're back home. So yung nakita nyo is I bought the thing for the coloring, and so what I got is this L'Oreal Paris 01. Ito yung ginamit ko before, so obviously I'm gonna use it again para pantay siya. Wala lang, I really like the color. And it's not too brassy, it's not too light. It's just the perfect brown. And I repurchased my coconut oil. If you have seen my videos, I use coconut oil on my hair and everything. So yes. So if you haven't seen ito, so let's unbox this. So you have instructions, which may gloves yan sa loob. You have the colorant cream, the oxidizer, ay developer pala. And then ito is a pre-color treatment, so use that before you put on the color. And ito yung favorite ko, I really love this. Sana maglabas sila ng separate na product. Ito yung conditioning balm. It smells so good, and it makes your hair super duper soft. So ayan, I always keep this kasi sobrang bango niya and sobrang effective. Okay, so I have my hair dye t-shirt on. Well, I really don't have any plan doing this, pero I'll just part my hair whatever. Ina-acid ako. So I've been watching a lot of Brad Mondo videos. So, ano ba ito? Ayan. Isa pa. Nagagalit siya when they don't part their hair and everything. So, yikes. I'm one of those girls. Pero, kaya pinili ko yung brown. Like, I really don't intend it to be like super perfect. I just want to cover my roots and such. So, let's do this. I bought only one, so I hope kasha siya. Pero since I'm just doing my roots, hopefully. So let's open this up, and it says for root retouch, let it develop for 45 minutes. Start at the roots. Okay. So let's start with the roots and sabe and spread it across the hair. So ito yung gloves nila. I actually like the gloves. Makapal siya. Hindi siya plastic labo. So let's use this protective serum. Ayan. Ito yung parang step 1. I'm not expecting na mako-cover niya yung buong hair ko because my hair is so thick. Konti lang siya. Ubus na siya. And it barely covered my hair. The reason why I wanted to retouch my roots kasi our wedding anniversary is coming up. So that is our first wedding anniversary. Siyempre gusto ko naman medyo maganda sa pictures, diba? The first time that I colored my hair, ito, yung part na yan, I wasn't able to film it kasi I was under a contract sa hair brand and I'm not supposed to show any other hair products. This time, tapos na yung contract ko with them so I can show you how I will color my hair. So open the developer, then you mix it together. Medyo harsh lang yung smell nito. So ayun na siya. It's in there. You're supposed to mix it. Make sure to wear your gloves kasi harsh talaga siya sa skin. I've learned it the hard way. Okay, so it's all mixed up. May comb applicator siya, pero I like using my fingers. So, just make sure lang, I'll just make sure na covered yung roots ko. We are done. I think it's fully covered. I really concentrated on this part kasi yun yung mas kita. So I'll just wrap it up. I know my ends are kind of dry. Really focused on my roots. Wrap it. Yan, pero hindi matuyo yung hair dye. So mas magiging effective siya and parang may heat insulation na mangyayari. So it's gonna be more effective. So I'll just leave it for 40 minutes and I will rinse it out and I will come back to you guys. Okay? BRB. It's been a couple of minutes pa lang and I can definitely see the changes. So I will just leave it for another 5 minutes na lang kasi kita ko na nag-lighten up na siya eh. Ayan. So, yeah. Kaya tinanggal ko na rin yung plastic bag. Hey guys! So, it's been hours later. Nag-air dry na lang ako kasi I didn't want to put more damage on my hair. Ayoko na siya i-blow dry. So, I air dried. The ends are a little bit wet pa naman. Pero, the most important part is my roots. So, okay naman siya. I guess it's been a success. Ayan, it's color brown naman na. Ayan, it's a little uneven on some parts. Pero, okay lang. I'm not too mad about it. Ayan, may uneven part lang siya dyan. But, the most important part is this. Kasi ito yung part ko. So, ito yung mas nakikita lagi. So, yeah. There you go. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll post more pictures once My hair is all dried, so you can see what it really looks like. So, yun. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!